This is how any YouTuber can make money with GotBackup. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, GotBackup is one of the best online business opportunities out there right now. It is in the multi-billion-dollar cloud storage industry. All right, so just in case you're like, what the hell are you talking about? All right, so GotBackup allows its customers the ability to back up all their pictures, their videos, their documents, and they allow you to do this from unlimited devices. So if you have a laptop, an Android, an iPhone, a tablet, you can back up all your information to the GotBackup cloud. When you think of GotBackup, you want to think of services like iCloud and Google Drive. Now, there are a couple differences between these big companies and GotBackup. Now, there are two big differences between companies like Google Drive and iCloud compared to GotBackup. The first thing is GotBackup is a lot cheaper. And the second thing is GotBackup has a business opportunity that allows you to actually have your own online business. So yeah, you can actually become an affiliate of GotBackup and start earning a residual monthly income. So how can any YouTuber start making money with GotBackup? Well, it's pretty simple. Because of the service that GotBackup offers, it appeals to the masses. So it really doesn't matter what kind of YouTube channel you have. Your viewers most likely would be interested in an opportunity like GotBackup. Because GotBackup's target audience is anybody that has a laptop, a desktop, a tablet, an iPhone, or Android. And not to mention, this is great for anybody who is looking to earn some extra cash. You're probably thinking, oh, hell yeah, this is a good ass idea. So what do I need to do, right? The first thing you need to do is become a GotBackup affiliate. And this is very, very easy to do. All you need to do is pay a one-time $20 fee, and you can become an affiliate for life. Now, this will allow you to earn an unlimited income with GotBackup. But you might be thinking right now, I mean, that's nice, you know what I'm saying? I'm an affiliate now. I'm excited about the opportunity, but my channel has nothing to do with backing up your data from your phone. Like, I don't understand how am I going to incorporate it. So I'm sure you've been noticing more and more content creators talking about different products and services throughout their videos. And in most cases, these content creators have brand deals or they're sponsored ads. So what you can do is create your own sponsored ad for your own videos and get all the money. So the best way to do this is create a short ad and put it at the beginning of your videos, in the middle of your videos, and even at the end of the videos. So placing these ads really depends on how long your video is. For example, if you got a 20-minute YouTube video, then you can put an ad, say, at the very beginning, and then put it in the middle at maybe the 10 or 12-minute mark. But if your video is short, between like 5 and 10 minutes, then just put your ad at the very beginning of your video. There's two ways that you can do this video. One with your own domain name and one without. So I'll give you an example of each. If you really want to go all in with the strategy, what you can do is buy a cheap domain name, and you can get them from Namecheap or GoDaddy, right? You want to have it related to the GotBackup opportunity, right? So say, for example, you buy GotBackupNow.com. Now, this is just an example. It's probably already taken, but whatever, right? So you want to get a domain name. Then you want to forward your affiliate link to that domain name. So anybody who clicks on GotBackupNow.com, they will be taken to your affiliate page. Keep in mind that GotBackup gives you several different pages that you can promote, but the most effective page is going to be your GotBackup tour page. So this is the one that you probably want to promote. So now that you got GotBackupNow.com and your affiliate link being forwarded to it, now it's time to create your short ad. And I'll give you an example right now. This video is brought to you by GotBackupNow.com. Find out how you can back up all your videos, photos, and documents, all while building a residual monthly income. For more details, click the first link in the description. Boom, It's that easy. Now you just jump straight into your video and you're good to go. But just say, you're like, you know what, I don't even really want to get a domain. I don't feel like buying a domain, whatever. It's all good. You can actually just use your GotBackup affiliate link. But I would recommend at least using a link shortener, you know, something like Bitly or whatever, because your affiliate link is going to be mighty long. But if you don't have a domain name, you could do something just like this. Hey, want to know how you could back up all your pictures, videos, and documents while building a monthly residual income? If so, click that first link in the description. Boom, you done, right? That's all you need to do. So you got that video and you just need to place it wherever you need to place it every time you put out a video. So I am very confident that this method will get you a lot of traffic to your GotBackup offer. And once you do that, basically your job is done, because that tour page does all the work for you. Now, I just gave you examples of things you can do, but you can have fun with it. Come up with your own script. My only advice is keep the ad pretty short. You know what I'm saying? 10 to 12 seconds and you good to go. And this is a really great opportunity for any YouTubers like, man, I would love to make some extra money by having getting a brand deal or sponsored videos and all that. Well, you can do it yourself. And if you want to see how powerful the GotBackup tour page actually is, click that first link in the description.